Reasons to install stainless steel sink in kitchen. Dear friends, have second thoughts about your new kitchen sink installation? Well, Rue is here to clear all your doubts and help you make the most informed decision. Stainless steel sinks provide a variety of benefits and features to households. They have a variety of characteristics that make them an ideal option for the majority of domestic and commercial kitchen applications and situations. Stainless steel sinks are without a doubt one of the best material for kitchen sinks, and here are 5 reasons why. Unbeatable durability. The material's resistance to corrosion, oxidation, extreme temperatures, and load-bearing capacity is a distinguishing attribute that makes stainless steel such a popular option for kitchen sinks. Stainless steel sinks will not lose their overall integrity by chipping or breaking no matter how much use they are subjected to on a regular basis. Hassle-free maintenance. Stainless steel sinks are also sanitary, which means bacteria and germs cannot grow or flourish on the material. If frequently cleaned, the sink's smooth surface is adorned by a glossy or matte finish, and a high-quality surface will seldom acquire odors or stains. Elegance personified. Steel is a material that goes with everything. Whether your decor has woodwork, ceramic, tiles, or designs made of pop, the silver pristine shine of a stainless steel kitchen sink works as a versatile accompaniment. Interior designers and ever the common people understand that stainless steel sinks complement the kitchen's unique architectural characteristics and aesthetics. The cool and smooth textures and minimalistic appearance adds to the surrounding patterns and colors. Multiple designs. Stainless steel kitchen sinks are highly malleable and can easily be molded into any desired shape. The most popular shapes are oval and square. The oval sink represents a more conventional style, while the square bowl kitchen sinks prove a contemporary touch. It is significant to mention that there are so many different stainless steel models available. You should take the time to sort through all of the available options and select the one that best meets your needs or requirements. Sustainable and eco-friendly. Stainless steel is recyclable and reusable. The stainless steel kitchen sinks can easily be recycled and put to use for a different product. This makes them an eco-friendly material. If you consider your environment and your carbon footprint, then stainless steel kitchen sinks are an ideal option for you. Moreover, the material is long-lasting. It has durable properties which make them last for a long time. So, if you invest in a kitchen sink made of stainless steel, you need not worry about changing it for the next decade. Yes. And that's how you reduce the waste generated by you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.